majority of people, they are suffering. They are living in abject poverty. Some are sick, not knowing that they ever have a power, that can change their situation. There's a power in a man that he can use. Your mind is powerful more than you ever believed, more than you ever thought. Your mind power is God's power. God indwells in you. There's a power within you that you can use to rise from unwanted life condition and experiences. So majority of people don't know this. When some people had the term God is in you, they will be amazed. So the Spirit of God indwells in you. You can do anything. There's nothing you cannot do in this world. Don't let anybody tell you you don't have power. You have a power because you have a mind. I have a mind, you have a mind, and all God's children have a mind. So